Good morning students. In the previous video we have learnt how if we follow local time then it creates confusion, and we have taken the example of Mumbai and Kolkata. Even we learned about time zones. There are 24 time zones. So now let us learn about standard time. Listen students, if we follow local times it creates lots of confusion. So every country decides one standard time, and that standard time has to be followed by everyone in that particular country. Now let me tell you how do they decide the standard time. Usually the longitude which goes through middle of the country is selected, and the local time at this longitude has been considered as a standard time of the whole country. Well, this is done where the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours. 1 or 2 hours. For example, India. But what if the longitudinal extent is more than? Then one standard time is not enough. So in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. So let us proceed to Indian Standard Time. India too has a large longitudinal extent. The difference between the two extreme most point is 2 hours. So the Indian Standard Time has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. See, you can see in the image here which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as a standard time of the whole country. When the sun is exactly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time of 82 degree 30 minutes and other places in the country. So let us see these questions. Look at the figure 1.4 in the textbook and answer the following questions. First question is, considering longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? First, let us see the longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So, 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on a map. Second question, by how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? Two consecutive longitudes differ by 4 minutes. Now let us see the third question. What is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? The value of longitude at Mirzapur is 82 degree 30 minutes east. Now let us see the fourth question. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minutes east, what would be the time in their clocks at the following places? Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minutes east, it would be 8 am in their clocks at Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati. Why this is so? Because in India, the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Now let us see the fifth question. Though the distance between them is more, why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? In India, the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Therefore, Though the distance between them is more, the standard time doesn't differ in these places. So students, now we have learnt about Indian Standard Time. In the next video, we will learn about Universal Standard Time. Thank you.